Let me slow y'all down. I don't want to get too far ahead. All right, you have it. I want everybody to know 1,000%. I'm gonna walk you through this at another day. You have the trade program. Is Mark Spain in Jacksonville?
Yes.
Okay. You guys know how his program works. Guaranteed cash off on your home. Okay, it works like this. If you don't know how it works, have one of his agents come to your home, like I did. Come to your home and offers you a cash offer at 70 to 80%. You can say yes, and he sells it to an investor. Okay. You say no, it's a standard real estate transaction. Do you guys all have this program?
Yeah, in the express offers.
Even if you didn't have express offers, do you have this program? Say
Yes.
Yeah, you have the
Yes.
do that.
Could you go on Facebook and say, hey, here's a house appraising at $550,000 because you paid for the appraisal, $800 out of your pocket, that is selling for 70% of that, 400,000. Who wants it? And could you sell it?
Yes.
You could. Okay, all day, every 70%. If not, I'll buy it from you. Guarantee, show me the appraisal. All right. So you guys have the exact same program. The only difference between you and Mark Spain is marketing.
Yeah.
So
Well, what's the trade? I think that's where I'm getting lost.
so here's the trade. Hey, this is your listing, Simone. 550,000 your assets or trade, like all our assets. I said, here, I'd like to trade my house for this house. Okay, great. And I say, well, this is how it works, Simone. When you move up in price point and buy one of our listings, your house is 350, you want to buy 550. We will give you a cash offer on your home so you can buy this home. You can just trade up. And it works like we just talked about how Mark Spain does it and sells 1,700 houses in Georgia. Who knows how many in Florida? 70% investor buys it, or we could go the standard route and you get 100. We guarantee you 100% of list price.
Okay,
Got it? Okay.
I'll research it. I hear you though.
We're going to train it over the next few weeks. Don't worry about it.